Alright, so if you have a swimming pool or if you need chlorine tablets, look at this. You just twist this thing, it comes off, and in the side, I have gloves because I'm going to put some tablets on right now. On the side, let me show you how to open it. Can't show you guys with two hands, so I opened it up on the side, and this is where you're dropping your tablets. And when it hits the water, it automatically turns on. Solar panels on the top, so you don't have to worry about it. So we are going to set this up. I got the light at night. I turn off all the pumps and everything, but look at this. It has all the chlorine tablets that you require. You don't have to worry about anything. Pretty cool light. No batteries. It has built-in batteries. No batteries required. It charges through the day with the solar panel. And it lasts for a couple of hours. It's been on for like maybe 4 hours already. It's dark, but I have a light here. I'm still working with it, so